Nearby Subaru WRX STI repairs. Subaru is the automobile manufacturing division of Japanese transportation conglomerate Subaru Corporation. The 21st largest automaker by production worldwide in 2017. Subaru cars are known for their use of a boxer engine layout in most vehicles above 1,500 cc. If there is any car that started the proto-rally movement, it's the Subaru WRX. And the WRX STI is the WRX's more powerful, more high-tech, and more expensive older brother. Servicing your Subaru WRX STI is crucial to maintain its performance, reliability, and safety. The WRX STI is a high-performance vehicle, so proper maintenance is essential to keep it running at its best. Here are some best practices for servicing your Subaru WRX STI. Follow the maintenance schedule. Refer to your Subaru WRX STI owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This schedule outlines the specific services and intervals at which they should be performed. Engine oil and filter changes. Regular oil changes are vital to keep the high-performance engine well lubricated. Follow the recommended oil change interval and use the appropriate oil grade and filter. Tire maintenance. Check tire pressure regularly and maintain it at the recommended levels. Inspect the tires for signs of wear, and rotate them as needed to ensure even wear, especially given the STI's all-wheel drive system. Brake inspection and maintenance. Inspect the brakes regularly for wear and tear, given the performance nature of the WRX STI. Monitor brake pad and rotor wear closely and replace them as necessary to maintain braking performance. Brake fluid should also be checked and replaced per the manufacturer's recommendations. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off all essential fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, differential fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at the recommended intervals to ensure optimal engine performance and airflow. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs according to the manufacturer's recommendations to maintain efficient combustion and engine performance. Battery inspection. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure they are securely connected. Replace the battery if it's showing signs of weakness. Wheel alignment and suspension. Given the WRX STI's performance characteristics, check the wheel alignment periodically and adjust it if necessary to prevent uneven tire wear and ensure stable handling. Inspect the suspension components for wear and damage. Check and replace belts and hoses. Inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear, cracks, or leaks. Replace them as needed to prevent breakdowns. Professional service. Have your Subaru WRX STI serviced by a qualified technician or at a Subaru dealership. They have the necessary training and equipment to service your high-performance vehicle correctly. Keep records. Maintain a record of all service and maintenance performed on your Subaru WRX STI. This documentation can be valuable for warranty claims and future buyers. Performance upgrades. If you have aftermarket performance upgrades or modifications, ensure they are installed correctly and do not compromise the vehicle's reliability or safety. Consider performance tires. Given the WRX STI's performance capabilities, consider investing in high-quality performance tires that match your driving style and conditions. By following these best practices and adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, you can help ensure the longevity, reliability, and peak performance of your Subaru WRX STI. Regular maintenance also helps identify potential issues early, preventing more significant problems down the road.